first one is actually SuperComnet. I think if you look at stock code 0001, why we pick this stock? Generally speaking, when you look at the share price correction from the July high of 158, which is my cursor here, okay, that seems to have bottomed out, simply because if you look at the current trend, if you ignore yesterday's breakout above the 30-day SMA, prior to that, the tone has actually changed from a downtrend to a sideways consolidation trend. So in other words, a base has formed around these level. And yesterday the strong breakout above the 30-day SMA is a telltale sign that I think the stock is ready for a stronger rebound. I think at this juncture, the near-term target will be to take out the 50-day and 200-day SMAs. Okay, once those moving averages are taken out, basically you can conclude that the slightly mid to long-term trend will turns to the bulls. Okay, for now, I think we are still waiting for the breakout above the 200-day and 50-day SMAs to confirm the bullish reversal. Second stock is actually Seal Incorporated, 4286. If you look at the share price performance, has been holding well above the 30-day and 50-day SMAs, specifically 50-day SMAs since May. And I think yesterday, share price took out the resistance trend line on high volume. So I think effectively, the share price is now trading at a new 52-week high. Okay, and we believe this will be the precursor to more upside ahead. Obviously, I think we have talked about this many times before. With any new breakout, we probably need another white candle to validate the breakout run. Okay, but I think if you look at the current price point, seems like I think there's a good chance that the upward trajectory will be extended. Okay, and I think the base will form near the resistance turn support trend line. Third stock is actually EP Manufacturing. I think if you look at the correction from the July high, which is my cursor here, it's also quite sharp, similar to SuperComnet. But I think if you look at the share price, have actually make a strong comeback. Okay, yesterday it closed above the 30-day SMA, though it was actually below the intraday high. Okay, I think for today's session, basically you would expect some volatility. Okay, share price may try to build a base around the 30-day SMAs. That is actually to build the foundation for the next up leg. Okay, obviously do not be surprised that the share price may also try to fill the gap here, the breakaway gap here. But I think as long as it stays above the black line here, which is the resistance turn support trend line, I think the bulls will continue to have the upper hand. Hey!